Crafty Crates is a new kit from our friends at Hunkydory, and it's going to make crates just like this one. And the instructions are all included. And you can see some samples down below, but I'll show you some close-ups of this. It's very much like our pop-up boxes. You know how they kind of explode and everything pops up? Well, that's what these look like. But Hunkydory has made it super simple. Now in the kit, you're going to be able to make 12 of these crates. You're going to get 2 of each one, and there are knitting, birthday, garden, cheese and wine, toy box, and a tool kit, okay? Now, to create these, you're going to get 256 die cuts, and yes, they're foiled. On each of these sheets, you're going to see 2 themes. So here we've got gardening, and we also have knitting. This one has tools and cheese and wine. I suppose you could make that beer if you wanted to. And then also a toy box and balloons. Now, the crates look like this, and they're printed on 2 sides, because you will actually see inside the crate. They're kind of interchangeable, although you might think that this one is going to be for knitting because of all of those yarn pieces in the background. There are also a couple of tags on each one, so just to walk you through these, you can see what they look like. Very fun and really simple to do. Now, let me just walk you through the process. So, you take this, and then you pop out all the pieces, and that's what I've done here. And you do want to use the extra sticky tape. Now, that's the 1/4 inch wide tape that has a red liner on it. All of these pieces are scored. So you're simply going to score or fold at the score line. So it's one side there, one side here, and then on each of these, you're going to just fold them back. So just fold every single one of them back, and that will get you started. Now, I have already put the extra sticky tape on the edge here. So let me just pull this up and show you how they go together. So there's one piece, and this is going to attach over here, just so that they're going to go together. So you can see that piece is flat. This is folded. I'm just going to lay it on the edge and place it down, just like so. I'll do the same thing on the other one and simply put them together. The extra sticky tape, of course, is so terrific because it's going to hold everything. And just line them right up, just like so. Okay, you get the crate idea? There you can see it. Actually, it would be standing like that, wouldn't it? So it's got its feet. So this is going to fold flat when you put it in the envelope, either way. And one side has slots, the other side doesn't. Well, you know what I'm thinking? I think I was wrong. I think it goes like this because there are handles where you could pick up your crate. Okay, now let's get to these pieces. Now, if you've done the pop-up cards before, you know that you need these edges to go inside here so you can put your pieces that will pop up. So you simply, again, take the liner off of the tape, as I'm doing. Again, I like to just press it down hard with my fingernail if I'm having any difficulty getting it up. And that's especially helpful if you're doing this on camera. Okay, let me do this side. And the 1/4 inch is just perfectly sized for this. Okay, so I've got it removed, and I'm going to just place it right inside. I'm going to make it right next to the back edge because I've got 3 of these to put in place. And like so. Okay, just press it on the edge and you're good to go. Now, this one can go against the front. I didn't put tape on it. And this one can go right in the middle. Just super easy. Now, what are you going to do with all those cutouts? Well, you're going to place them into these slots that are going to go here. So you just attach them again with the extra sticky tape. Now, to show you examples of what the finished ones look like, I've got great big images to show you. Here's the toy box. You can see lots of animals and things. That's that tag. And then you also have a cutout that would say what it is, to use it or not. Here is the toolkit, very fun. Thinking about Father's Day or birthday, very nice. And here is knitting, that's fun. And here is the gardening. So they're really full, and that's very nice. With all of those 256 die cuts, you've got a lot to go. And then here's the cheese and wine time. Enjoy your day, very fun. So again, 12 of the crates you can make with this kit. The instructions are right here, super easy to do, very quick to do also, and you will have 12 finished creative crafty crates.